Milk-Bone MaroSnacks. Small dog treats. $11.48. Real bone marrow goodness. Crunchy biscuit shell with a meaty bone marrow center. Irresistible texture. Crispy on the outside, savory on the inside for a satisfying bite. Nutritious and delicious. Packed with calcium to support strong bones. Perfect for all dogs. Ideal for training, rewarding, or just because. Made with love. Baked in Buffalo, New York, with colors from natural ingredients only. A treat your pup will love every time. Product link in description. Do not forget. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.